Just look at this beautiful sourdough bread with blueberry and cream cheese filling. Let me show you how I make it. I'm making 2 loaves of the blueberry and cream cheese filling sourdough bread, one for us and one for a friend. Starting out, I'm going to add 200 grams of active starter. Then 750 grams of lukewarm distilled or filtered water. I mix it together a little bit before adding the 20 grams of salt. I add 100 grams of whole wheat flour, ,300 grams of bread flour, and 600 grams of all-purpose flour. I mix everything together in my stand mixer with the dough hook attachment. This part takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This is what the dough looks like once it's done mixing. Then I transfer the dough into a bowl that is lightly wet with water. I use my proofing cover to cover the bowl. You can also use a tea towel or a linen cloth. I place the bowl in my turned off oven with the light on for warmth. Do 4 stretch and folds every 30 minutes, placing it back in the oven with the light on. It's so cool to see how the dough just transforms each round. It becomes smoother and stronger. While I wait after the last stretch and fold, I cube the cream cheese and prep the blueberries. I like to use frozen blueberries because they don't run as much. Also get my proofing baskets ready. I flour them a little bit. Then churn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Divide it into 2 equal pieces. Gently stretch each piece into a rectangle. Add blueberries and small chunks of cream cheese evenly across the surface. Fold the dough into a loaf, keeping the filling inside. Be very careful when you're shaping the dough so the blueberries or the cream cheese doesn't rip the dough. Place each loaf into the floured proofing basket. Cover it and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. When you are ready to bake, preheat your oven with your Dutch oven inside for 1 hour at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. These silicone bread slings make it really easy to place the dough into the oven. Score the cold dough and carefully place it into the preheated Dutch oven. Then bake for 20 minutes at 475 degrees Fahrenheit with the lid closed. Then open the lid and bake for 12 more minutes at 450 degrees. The end result will make all of your hard work worth it. Please let me know if you try it.